Hi everyone! Today we are showing you step by step how to create a classic 3-strand braid, a must-know for beginners and a base for endless styles. Let's get started. Start by dividing your hair into 3 equal sections. You can secure each strand with a small hair tie while practicing. This step is optional but helpful for beginners. Hold the right strand in your right hand. Use your left thumb and index finger to hold the left strand, and let the middle strand rest between your other fingers. Cross the left strand over the middle. Your left hand guides the motion, and your right hand holds the new middle strand. Next, cross the right strand over the middle. Let your left hand catch the new middle strand. Now again, cross the left strand over and into the middle. And cross the right strand over and into the middle. That's all you're gonna do. So cross the left strand over and into the middle, and cross the right strand over and into the middle. Keep this pattern going until you reach the end of your hair, and then tie it up with an elastic. By the way, whenever I create a beginner-friendly braiding tutorial, I'll add it to a playlist on my channel. So make sure to check the description below for the link and explore more easy-to-follow guides. And there you have it, a classic 3-strand braid. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a new hairstyle. If you try this out, drop a comment. I would love to know if this tutorial was easy to follow. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.